Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl JoJo, aka the Divine Taurus.
Hi guys, how are you?
Yeah. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl JoJo, aka the Divine Taurus. Does this background look familiar? This background is from my previous video. Hello, Miss Andrea from Girl Friday Virtual Work Bar. So we're here in this lovely establishment once again, but this time we're visiting Kim's Glam Faces, another black business that's in the same building. Like, can you imagine? I love it. I just wanted to show a quick before of my face so that you could see what's going on. And we're gonna go into detail about what I'm doing today. This will be technically my first facial, but we'll go into more detail as to what type of facial and what we're doing. So let's get to it.
Hi JoJo.
Hi, Kim.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay.
This is beautiful.
Thank you, and welcome to Kimberly's Glam Spa and Boutique.
Thank you.
And let me just take your temperature.
Thank you.
So important.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yay.
Alrighty. Terrific.
So what are we doing today?
Well, today we're going to do a deep pore, deep cleansing facial, detoxing facial actually. It's because it's the first facial that I do with all of my clients anytime they come in here and to get to know their skin. I do several different types of facials, but that's one of the first facials that I do because to get to know your skin, and if you're going to continue starting to come to me and everything, we can go ahead and start getting you set up for other facials.
That sounds amazing. This would be my first time.
Great, I love that. I love first timers.
Yes. How long have you been in this area? Coral Springs, right?
Yes, Coral Springs. I've been in this area for since 2017. Oh yes. Hi guys, how are you?
Yes. The brains and beauty behind it all, guys.
Thank you.
I was actually referred to Kim from Andrea. Girl Friday Virtual Work Bar. It's such a tongue twister. But she recommended me to Kim, and when I seen Kim's gorgeous skin, I said, oh my goodness, I need that.
And you're going to get that.
Thank you. Thank you. How long have you been doing this for?
Oh my God. I'm not going to tell my age. I've been doing...
What are you, like 24?
There you go.
Hey.
So I've been doing this for 20-something years. So I would say 25 years. I didn't want to do that, but anyway.
Okay.
So 25 plus years. So the experience is there.
Yes, I love it. Well, I
This is
can't
my
wait to get
passion.
started. But I was telling you before, I love these. What is this called?
This one is the oxygen bar, and it
That's
actually has
beautiful.
lavender and peppermint, eucalyptus, and actually just it brings out all the smells, and it really just give a nice aroma in the room.
It is
Nice vibe,
so
nice aroma,
beautiful.
you know, in the room. And then there's a diffuser I have. So I love essential oils. I work with them all the time.
Yes.
They're so therapeutic. That's one thing that I love. It has a very holistic feel. It really helps relieve stress that's going on in people's lives. So a lot of people, you know, have that going on right now during this time.
Yes.
In the COVID time now. So really
We all
want them to
need a little
relax.
bit of relaxation.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly. This is beautiful. I cannot wait to get started.
I know, right?
Yes, so let's get to it.
Alrighty, sounds great.
First facial completed. Will I go back? Yes, I will. I learned so much about my skin. Everyone should get a facial at least one time in their life. Please contact Kimberly for all of your skincare needs. She's located in Coral Springs, Florida. Make sure you like this video, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And always remember, pure vibes only.